Today I'm going to show you how to install N-Fab's cab-linked Nerf step on this 2019 new body style Ram 1500. Let's go ahead and get started. Now, since our brackets on these boards come welded on, the first thing that we need to do is determine which is our passenger side and which is our driver's side. Now, to do that, we're going to look at the hoop to the front, and we're going to look at the distance between the end of the hoop and the end of the bar. Now, it's going to be shorter on one side than it is going to be on the other side. The short side is going to go towards the front of the truck. The larger side is going to go towards the rear of the truck. So when I hold this side up against the driver's side, again, the shorter side should be to the front, the larger side should be to the back. Now when you look underneath your truck, you're going to see 3 sets of 3 studs. That's going to be our mounting locations. Now if you haven't had running boards on the truck before, these might be painted, in which case you're going to have to clean those off. Now we used a tap and die set to clean ours. You can also use a wire brush. Just make sure you clean off that paint before installing your running boards. Once all that paint is cleared off, we're going to set our running board in place. Now this is our middle bracket here. You can see the 2 bottom holes are going to line up with the 2 studs. That's going to be the same on all 3 brackets. Now our stud at the top in the middle is going to line up in our middle slot here. On our front and on our back bracket, this top stud is going to line up to the slot in the back right here. After you got everything lined up, we're just going to take our 3 provided flange nuts and just hand tighten those on there for right now. We're going to do that on all 3 brackets. Now that we have the nuts on all of our locations, we're going to lift the board up and then snug them all down with a 13mm. Now you just want to snug these up. You don't want to go real tight on those because they are studs in the frame and we don't want to rip those out. Now I'm at the rear bracket. Again, I'm going to lift it up, tighten the nuts. Then I can tighten up the middle. You're going to repeat all those steps on the other side. Now that's going to complete the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.